Hey everybody, David Rose here. Just wanted to do a check-in with you, show you what's going on. Obviously, we are not in the studio, we're in my backyard. And I'd gotten a lot of good feedback from people that have seen the video that's on the Indiegogo fundraising page, where I show a song, what it was like with the acoustic guitar, and then what we did with it in the studio, and thought we'd do that again, showing you some of the new songs we're working on. This one is called Honey, Let's Pack Up the Car. Kind of came to me, I think, in response to, I've been hearing a lot of people wanting to move out of the country or move someplace where things aren't crazy. And so this is a little song about that. Afterwards, you're going to hear the studio version where it is right now. We've got the basics done. We still need the drummer. So you're going to hear what might sound a little bit like a cheesy, rather than a click track giving time, which is very boring, click, click. We use an old Hammond organ and one of its settings which matches the rhythm of the song. So ignore that part, but you'll get the gist. There's a whole new added, really great intro to it. I'd say the song's 80% done. We don't have the backup vocals yet either, but it'll give you an idea of what it's like as you kind of piece together a song, starting with the basics of guitar and vocals and adding and adding and adding to that until you have a finished song. So I'm gonna play a couple of verses and choruses of Honey, Let's Pack Up the Car. So it goes something like this. Oh honey, let's pack up the car. Things are getting strange, I don't know where we are. I'm tired of the words and the hate and the fear. Oh honey, let's pack up the car. Oh, I said honey, let's pack up the car. Whoa, ah la la la. Oh honey, let's pack up the car. We'll head out west to the mountains and the sea. We'll live off the land and we'll start us a farm. Oh honey, let's pack up the car. Oh, I said honey, let's pack up the car. Whoa, ah la la la. So something like that is how it started. You're going to hear what we're doing with it right now, and I hope you can hear all the fun things that come out of just taking a song into the studio and having fun and seeing what's underneath the surface. So thanks for listening, and visit the website. I'll keep you posted on what's going on. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's pack up the car. We'll travel to the moon and we'll travel to the stars. We'll break this illusion, find truth where we are. Oh honey, let's pack up the car.